Hello, hi, mabuhay! Sawadikap tukon! Maayong morning everybody! So, another video sa ating Hanoi trip. So, ngayon guys, is pupuntahan natin yung sikat sa social media, yung cafe. So, ang name ng cafe is Cafe Giang. So, and siya guys, makikita nito siya kasi malaki naman yung poster niya. Pero, kailangan mong sumuong sa isang maliit na iskinita. Charot! So, and siya guys, ito pala yung Cafe Giang na sikat. And finally, atin na siyang matikman and isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung lasa ng kape. Kung kayo mahilig sa kape, and this is for you. So, ayan siya guys. So, ang Cafe Giang pala is in Hanoi has its own history and Hanoian memory. Cafe Giang, which named by Nguyen Van Giang, he is a bartender used to work at Metropole Restaurant, was made by Cappuccino. And then, eto pa ang nabasa ko. So, cafe, ang sikat dito is yung kanilang Vietnamese egg coffee. Ayan siya, super sikat dito guys sa Cafe Giang, ang kanilang Vietnamese egg coffee. Must try talaga siya, I must say. So, Vietnamese egg coffee pala is known as the Cafe Trung. It originates from the Cafe Giang in Hanoi. The cafe founder claims that his father invented the drink in response to a milk shortage in Vietnam in 1940s. The drink quickly became popular in now commonly found across Vietnam. So, ayan siya guys. Ito pala yung kanilang egg coffee. Sikat na sikat. So, titikman natin siya kung ano yung lasa. Diba? A little bit history pa tayo dyan. Binasa ko yun sa Google. Ganun. So, eto na nga yung ating order. Actually, dalawa yung in-order ko. Yung Vietnamese egg coffee at saka yung isang cafe. Nakalimutan ko. Yung chocolate something siya. So, ayan siya guys. So, eto yon, tikman na natin. Ayan siya. O, diba? Nakadalawang subo na ako dyan. So, ang lasa niya is hindi ko kayang i-describe kasi hindi ako well-versed talaga sa mga kape. However, ang masasabi ko is perfect siya sa lahat. Kasi hindi siya gaanong katamis, pero alam mo yung pag natikman mo na, gusto mo pang tumikim, ganon. So, ganon yung lasa niya. As in, I don't know, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung perfect na description niya, pero ang akin is masarap siya, perfect siya para sa akin. At kapag ikaw ay coffee lover, you have to try Vietnamese egg coffee. Dito lang yan sa Cafe Giang. Ayan siya guys, hindi lang siya siksik-liglig sa history at sa culture nila, but the coffee itself, super sarap. Worth it yung ibabayad mo na 55,000 or 65,000 dong sa isang ano tawag dyan? Isang basong kape. So again, Vietnamese egg coffee is a must-try coffee. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Ganon. So basta, kung mapunta kayo ng Hanoi, you must try Vietnamese egg coffee. Recommended talaga siya guys. And if you have a chance, go to Cafe Giang. And then after nito is, nagpunta na kami dito sa isang pagoda dito lang sa Hanoi. Ang name ng pagoda is the Tran Cook Pagoda dito sa Hanoi. Ayun sa nabasa ko, ito ay more than 1,500 years old na pagoda. So this is the oldest pagoda dito sa Hanoi. Ito yung isa sa pinakalumang Buddhist temple dito sa Hanoi. According sa nabasa ko, Tran Cook Pagoda is one of the oldest and most reverend Buddhist temples sa Hanoi, Vietnam. So this historic pagoda is located on the west shore of West Lake, has been a place of worship over 1,500 years and is considered as a symbol of Vietnamese culture and spirituality. Just like the other temple, may pina-follow din sila na dress code, lalo na sa mga babae. Kung ikaw ay medyo above the knee yung suot, much better na magsuot ka ng mas maayos at hindi sobrang revealing. Actually, may nagbebenta ng shawl sa labas or yung towel, pero it costs you a lot of money. So, sayang yung pera mo actually. So, upon entering the pagoda is makikita natin agad yung 11-story stupa or bowtop kung tawagin nila. So, sa bowtop is maraming white gemstone of Buddha. Ito daw yung symbolizes niya is serenity and enlightenment according sa kanila. And then, marami ding Buddha ang sinasamba dito. Merong for health, prosperity, and enlightenment, at iba pa. And also, many centuries ago, dito daw yung nakatira ang mga monks sa Tran Cook Pagoda dahil dito sila nagtuturo ng Buddhism sa public. So, ayan siya guys. So, diba, very interesting yung history at culture at the same time religion ng Vietnam. And also, as of the moment, nasa 45% to 55% ng population ng buong Vietnam ay mga Buddhist or Buddhism. So, this is what I love about Vietnam kasi napaka nila sa religion, the same as Thailand and Philippines. So, ayan siya guys, this is the Tran Cook Pagoda. If you are visiting Vietnam and Hanoi, you must visit at kailangan yung isali talaga siya sa inyong itinerary ang Tran Cook Pagoda kasi marami talaga kayong malalaman tungkol sa history, sa religion and culture ng Vietnam by visiting this place. And also, ito yung aming mga picture while visiting Cafe Giang and Tran Cook Pagoda. So again, thank you so much for watching and hope huwag kayong magsawang sumuporta sa akin, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat po as always sa laging pagtitiwala at pag-watch ng aking mga video. Kapkun kaptukon, kapkun makmak everyone. See you again for my next vlog. Thank you so much.